is up, everyone? Welcome back to a new video. Glad to have y'all back. As you all can see right here on my clothing rack, that was a bar for you. I got some human made. I'm selling all my t-shirts for $65. I'm selling my work jacket for $200, and I'm selling a hoodie for $130. So with that being said, like, comment, subscribe down below. I would greatly appreciate that if y'all can. All of this will be sold on my website, welcome-to-temple.us. I'll have a separate tab just specifically for this. If y'all want to go and cop, I would greatly appreciate that. With that being said, we're gonna jump right into this video, and I'm gonna tell y'all why I'm giving all this away, well, selling all this for a cheap price. So let's get into it. With that being said, I'm selling all of this for steal if y'all want to cop, collect human made. Reason being, I like their goods and their accessories, like their rugs, the mallard ducks like this right here. I got 2 mallard ducks. I really like these, man. I really do. So stuff like this from human made, I'm gonna just keep collecting. And like also the pillows and things like that. So I'm still trying to find this rug. So if anybody knows where I can get it for a good price, let me know. And this was one of my other early pieces that I got from human made as well. I wore this a few times. All these clothes right here has been washed. I did my best to get the stains out of them. Again, when I wear my clothes, yeah, you're gonna fuck up your clothes, but it may be some stains in these t-shirts, but I washed them. I washed them in a cold wash, light soil, high spin, hang dry. That's how I do it, and it turns out perfectly for me. So hopefully it can work for you. And again, this is one of my earlier pieces that I caught. I'm pretty sure y'all can find this on, yeah, y'all can find this on my channel, one of my early ones. It's on my thumbnail, I believe. And we have another one. This is a more recent one with the, I guess, golden retriever. I like this design a lot. I wore this once. I literally wore this once when I had one out. Not too long ago. I got a picture of me wearing this on my Instagram if y'all want to check that out. But yeah, giving this one up too. Sad, but gotta do it. Gotta make room. Next, we have the bulldog tee. Selling this as well. Wore this a few times, not a lot, but I enjoyed it when I had it. Next, we have the civic cat. Wore this once, and I got a stain on it and ain't wear it again. I like the design, but I just never got back around to actually wearing it. But it got like a little light stain like down here. They gotta find out a way to get out, so yeah. All right, I'm gonna do 2. So this one, there was an early piece, giving this one up. This one I got on sale from a website called Haven. This is a pocket tee, and it's embroidered with the Storm Cowboy on it. And on the back, you have this on the back. So I got this for a steal on the website, so I just copped it. And yeah, if y'all want to cop, let me know. Next, we have this human made and Verdi collab with the character Vic. I had traded one of my subscribers for a tee for this one. I wore it a lot. I wore this shirt a lot. I got some wear out of this one. This one was supposed to be this one I was gonna resell, but I never put it up on GRAILED. It just slipped my mind, so it's just been hanging in the closet. And this is on the back. It says dry y'alls with the sailor's hat on it. So yeah. Next, this is one of my earlier pieces as well. I had the white version of this. Traded somebody for that and got something else for it. I forgot what I traded for that t-shirt, but I'm giving this one up. So, and we have another early piece that I had got when I started first collecting human made, which was this one, and it's a pocket tee as well, and it had dry alls on it, and it is embroidered on there with the heart. And next, I have this work jacket. I'm selling this for $200. Again, I'm giving y'all a deal. You can't say I ain't looking out for y'all. I'm trying to look out for y'all. On the front right pocket, it says "Gifts for Futuristic Teenagers." It's just stitched in. And on the back, it says human made with the bulldog. I really do like this jacket, but I haven't had a chance to actually wear it how I want. So I'm just trying to help y'all out and let y'all enjoy this stuff more than me, because I really haven't had a chance to actually enjoy it. So hopefully y'all can enjoy it more than me. And I have a video of that jacket of me unboxing it and doing a review on it. So if y'all want to check that, it is on my channel. And we have a hoodie as well. This hoodie, I got this in the wrong size. I got this in size small. It has a duck on the front, and on the back, it says human made, dry alls. So yeah, I got the size small. I meant to get in 2XL, but here we go. Last but not least, I have something that I was gonna give away and that I was supposed to give away in a previous video, but the person never hit me up. So I just been sitting on this. Pause. I've been sitting on this, and it's a I Know Nigo box set that it was doing, and they had a pre-order for it. I bought 2, kept 1 for myself. And this design right here is on a black large tee, so that's what sizes that's in here. Also had the CD as well, so if y'all want to cop this, I had this up on the site for like $30 if you want to cop. So I Know Nigo box set with the tee, can't go wrong with it. So with that being said, thank y'all for watching. I'm just trying to clear out all this clutter so I can make room for less things that I know I can mix and match and make more fits out of. So that's my goal, and that's what I'm trying to go for this year. Just downsize, get rid of shit that I don't need. I plan on getting rid of some Jordans that I got. So I got a lot to do and a lot of money to save because I got some big things that I want to do. So me just getting rid of this stuff will help fund those things that I'm trying to do. So y'all can hopefully see that on my channel sooner or later. So with that being said, like, comment, subscribe down below. I would greatly appreciate all the support, and I'll catch y'all next one. I'm out. Peace.